So you made a video, or you want to make a video, and you're worried about the view count. You only have 2 views, 5 views, and you're scared. Hey, my content is not making sense. That is kind of good, you know? And I'll tell you why. For people like us who make content that are supposed to impact lives, that are supposed to make people's lives better, the goal is not about the view counts. The goal is about the change it made in one person's life. And I'm Dara here. I've been creating content for over 10 years now, and I don't have 5,000 subscribers. That is good with me, right? The reason is this. I create my videos for an audience of 1. And it gives me an advantage. It ensures that my content is clear, ensures that my content is faster to shape and way more effective. I'm not creating for everybody. I'm creating for 1 person. I'm creating the video for Emmanuel, creating the video for Steve, creating the video for Sam, creating the video for Johnson, creating the video for Femi. Those are the people I'm creating videos for, right? So you ask me and I make a video for it. The reason I make a video when people ask me questions is this. You will watch the video as Femi that I've answered your question. You will watch it, get your answer, and just by luck, someone else might just be like Femi who needs that kind of answer. And that is the main reason why I create content. Not because I want to get 1 million subscribers. No, I make enough money from my day job to be able to afford the things I want in life. I just want to make impacts on the internet, and that is why I do this. So here is why this works for me. Clarity. When you talk to 1 person, your message gets sharp. And as I'm making this video, I know why I'm making it for, right? I have this person in my head. I'm going to hide their name here because I don't want to expose them quite yet. You're talking to 1 person. Your message gets sharp and direct. Give you speed. You stop chasing viral hacks. Is my content going viral? Is my content is going to blow? Nah, you don't need all that. And the impact, helping 1 real person beat 1,000 passers-by. You could have 1,000 views, but just 10 seconds of watch time. That doesn't make sense. For people like us who actually do videos that go up to 30 minutes, 1 hour, it doesn't make sense. So if you have just 5 people that are watched up to 60%, that is better than 5,000 people that watch just for 5 seconds. You get the gist, right? So this is what I'm going to call it. I'm going to call it the 1 framework. And that is what I use. My 1 framework. ONE. Outcome, next steps, and example. What is the outcome? What results is the viewer, the person you're making this video for, gonna get? I'm gonna use Femi as an example here on, okay? What result is Femi going to get from watching this video? What are the next steps for Femi when he watches this video? And what is the example that I'm giving Femi to prove that this content is actually made for him? If I'm doing a GitHub Actions video, I'm doing an Azure DevOps video, what examples am I giving in there to make that work for Femi? What question has Femi asked me? Well, I could make up Femi in my mind also. What question has Femi asked me to prove that this content, to match the content that I'm creating to answer his question? That is it. For example, for this video, the outcome is that you that I'm making this video for, you will go ahead to record that video you've been sitting on for weeks. Record the video. It doesn't have to be the best quality, trust me. I started recording for YouTube on this camera right here. This one. This is the camera I started with. I still own it because I like to keep my antiques. And I upgraded to this camera back here. I'm shooting another camera right there. So you start with the device that you have. Your iPhone 7, your iPhone 8, your Techno. Start with that device that you have. Go record that video. Don't be afraid it's gonna blow. Talk to a camera first. Record that video, publish it. Even if it's just posting it on WhatsApp. Alright? Use a script if you are scared of making up content in your head. Write it down. What are the points I want to talk about? You cannot talk about A, B, C. Hit record. This video came from just a 3-point note. I'm making this video for Femi. I want him to record his next video, and this is how I've done it. This video came out of that. So, if you want to script things, right? If you're someone like me, want to script things and really start creating and go like full blown, Structure your content in 3 ways. The hook, what is gonna get Femi's attention? Of course, you know you're making it for him. What is gonna get Femi's attention? What is Femi's context? What problem are you solving for Femi? Okay, you've hooked Femi. What is gonna make Femi stay? Is the hook relating to the context of what you're preaching to Femi? And 3 point max, ONE. And the payoff for Femi is that he goes ahead and publishes his next video. And the soft CTA, Femi, go and publish that video right now. The structure, hook, context, 3 points, payoff, call to action. Simple as that. That is how you structure your video. That is how I've been structuring my videos from the very get-go, and the way I'm going to structure it almost forever and ever, except the structure of actually getting people's attention really changes. Now, you need to avoid the traps. Avoid it, okay? Don't write for everyone. Don't write your script to go viral. Don't create your videos to go viral. Cut the jargons, okay? Set a recording window for yourself. You're spending 30 minutes today to record. Go ahead, hit record, publish. For me, I set a 2 or 3 hour window to record because I've sort of grown into this, right? So I can record 4 to 5 videos in a go. But for a start with one 30 minutes window. Record. Is it good? Yes, publish. You don't have to look the best like I'm doing right now. You don't have to sound the best, but try to do. There are even AI tools that can clean up your audio for you now. There are budget devices that I promote on my channel that you can use to record and get great audio for your devices. So go get those. Okay, links, I'll drop them for you. But what you need to do right now, Femi, what you need to do right now is go ahead and record that video. You're creating the video for someone. Go ahead and record it. If one person gets unstuck today because of your video, you have done your job. Okay, your video is made. Your mission has been accomplished. If it's just one view for the next 3 months, don't be discouraged. Yes, you monetize your videos later. It took me over 5 years, right, before I was able to monetize my YouTube channel. So monetization might not come in the first month. Not like the gurus tell you online, I publish your video and get monetized in 30 days. No, it might not happen. I'm gonna be real with you. It might not happen. But the person you have helped goes way more. That is more reward than the £10 a month, £1,000 a month that YouTube will pay you. Okay? So tell me in the comments right now, Femi, what one person are you making the next video for? And if you're not Femi, of course, drop it in the comment section also. If this has helped you, share with a friend who needs the push. Let's make something that matters, starting right now. So Femi, go and record right now. I'm watching you. Go and record that video now and post it. Send me the link in the comments also of that video that you've published today, right? And I'll see you. Bye-bye.